Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to invite you for a portrait photo shoot in an outdoor scenery. So here we've got some city center. There is nothing special in here, but the special person we've got in here, so it's Angela, and we are using today Viltrox 75mm f1.2 and Sony A6700. So it's clearly the photography setup, and I also, during the photo shoot, I'm making some short video clips like that, and after that I'm making some reels for Instagram from this short videos, so then it looks like that. And if you want to see the full clip with music, etc., then you can go to my Instagram and see this reel and also a lot of other reels. So I want to invite you there. And here we can see some setups I used during this reels, and I think that we can get very nice results in terms video also. And I have to mention that it was all made in handheld mode, so I didn't use any stabilization like gimbal, etc. It was only in handheld with active steady shot, as you could see in the setup. Usually I'm choosing a few sceneries for that kind of photo shoot, and right now let's take a closer look to the equipment I used. So we've got Sony A6700 and Viltrox 75mm. It's kind of handy. It weighs about 1 kilogram, and I'm already used to this setup, and it fits very nicely in hand, and working with this is great. The autofocus is great. This setup is every time on point, so you will not get any missed shot like if I was setting autofocus on the eye, it was on the eye just every time. Here we've got nice situation because this guy in the background, you can see, he just came to us and said, "Hey, hello, I see that you are making some photo shoot. Maybe you want to take some shots with that bike." We said, "Of course, let's do it." So we also have some few shots with that motorcycle, so that's great. The one thing that we have to tell about, this is APS-C setup, so 75mm on the APS-C is giving us about 112mm focal length, and it's a bokeh around f1.8. so this is a very good portrait setup. And please let me know in the comment section below if you like that kind of results we've got. Do you maybe use that setup already? Maybe you want to buy that kind of setup. If you have any question, please also comment below. Please like, subscribe and comment below. Also, I'm inviting you to visit to my Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.